I think my biggest advice is whatever you do online, make sure your parents know that you're doing it. Always stick to things that are appropriate for yourself. Don't go on adult sites, don't go on things, or don't change your age to try and get through sites. And any time you're feeling a little bit unsafe, a little bit wobbly, make sure somebody is aware and somebody's told about it to keep you safe. I think it's very important for children, just to make it familiar to them, just to make them aware of it. The internet and safety is becoming huge now. It's part of their life, they can't get away from it, so it's trying to educate them and make them aware of, not only the good things about it, but also the dangers that they're in as well, and making sure that they stay as safe as possible. And events like this just bring it home to them and make them really think about it, and hopefully pass the information on to other people as well, and make sure they widen the web, so to speak, and make it easier.